Hey gut feelers, I'm just making dinner and I thought you asked for what am I eating in a day. I'm seeing more of my daily food. So here it is, here's a dinner I just invented. I think it's gonna taste super nice. So this is gut feelings in action. Let's go. You probably already hear it. There's something cooking. So all that is organic potato without the peel. I cooked that 2 potatoes, I cut them up and I cooked them in water for about 10 minutes and then I added those guys, oats, around 1 cup I'd say. And then I also added some rosemary, which you can see here, rosemary, fresh from the garden. And this stuff is cooking now for like another 10 minutes. And then we have here, in the pan, just with a little bit of coconut oil, some okra. Oh, those guys, this is like one of the best foods you can ever get for your liver. It also tastes really funny. And this is how they look in real life. Now, if you don't have okra, I know it's sad, it's so sad. Whenever I see okra, I just get happy. You can also use any kind of other vegetables, peppers or zucchini I also used another time. And then I have here already prepared some Greek olives they were soaked in lemon juice before. Really tasty. It's like 4 big olives. And then those guys here, this is moringa leaves. But again, here you can use any greens. Chinese cabbage, for example. You can also use celery if you like. This is really like a creative thing. And then we have I'm gonna add this just on top. This is cilantro, fresh from the garden. Bless the cilantro. Detoxing heavy metals out of the brain, amazing. What I'm gonna do in like 5 minutes, I'm gonna add the spirulina. It's not everything is about spirulina, Peggy. I'm gonna add the moringa leaves in here. And then I'm also gonna add, I can actually do this right now. Let's just do it now. Woof. Perfect. This is me cooking with one hand. And then we add the spirulina. Maybe I just should remove the thingy here. So. Then I'm gonna add this. Now I can take it from off the heat because I don't want to cook those guys here too long. They just should be just soft, but not boiled forever. Voila. 0. And then I let this sink in a little bit. And then I add the okra, mix everything together. Yum yum. So here we are. Food is ready. You can see the okra, I put them just around and then the cilantro on top. And what I'm now doing is an orange lemon, but it's still a lemon. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on top. Like that. If you think now, oh, all the seeds are falling out, don't worry, full of enzymes, really good to eat. They're a little bit crunchy. Now, if you would ask me, why do I put potatoes and oats together? I have no idea. I can't explain it. It tastes amazing. I really love the taste. I did that the first time when I was camping, and that was the only 2 ingredients I had, and I think it was celery, so it made it a little bit salty. I didn't even have salt then around the tent, and this was amazing. And then now I sometimes do it at home as well. Feels very comforting. It's easy to be digested. I'm ready for dinner. Okay, if you like this video, guys, let me know. Give me a thumbs up so I know you like these kind of videos where I show you what I eat. If you like this kind of video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Is it dirty? Probably. Give me a thumbs up in the comment section down below so I know you want more of that. I'm happy to show you more of what I eat in a day.